Welcome to Lesson 3 of our Zsh Shell tutorial. Today we'll master file operations. You'll learn to create, copy, move, and delete files and directories. Plus, we'll explore the power of wildcards for pattern matching. Let's start with creating files using the touch command. Touch creates an empty file if it doesn't exist. You can create multiple files at once by listing them. If the file already exists, touch just updates its timestamp. This is actually where the command gets its name. You're touching the file to update its last modified time. Touch is simple but essential for any shell user. Now let's create directories with mkdir. mkdir stands for Make Directory. For a single folder, just type mkdir followed by the name. But what if you need nested directories? Use the -p flag. It creates parent directories as needed. mkdir -p project /myapp/source. All three folders are created in one command. Let's see touch and mkdir in action. First, we navigate to our demo directory. Now we create a file called myfile.txt. ls confirms it was created. We can create multiple files at once. Now let's create a directory with mkdir and nested directories with mkdir -p. ls shows our new directories. Look at the tree structure we just created, all with just a couple of commands. The cp command copies files and directories. Basic syntax: cp source destination. For files, this creates an exact copy. To copy a directory, you need the -r flag for recursive. cp-r copies the folder and everything inside it. You can also copy a file into a directory. Just specify the directory as the destination. The original file is always preserved when copying. mv does two things: move and rename. To rename a file, use mv old name, new name. To move a file, specify a directory as the destination. Unlike cp, mv works on directories without any extra flags. You can even rename while moving in one command. mv old.txt folder /new.txt. mv is very versatile. Let's see copy and move in action. First, we copy a file to create a backup. ls shows both the original and the copy. Now let's copy a file into a directory. We can also copy an entire directory with cp-r. ls shows our backup directory. Now let's use mv to rename a file. The original name is gone, replaced by the new one. Finally, let's move a file into a directory. The file is now inside the folder. rm removes files. And here's a critical warning. Files deleted with rm do not go to the trash. They are permanently deleted. There's no undo. For files, just use rm file name. For directories, add the -r flag for recursive. The -f flag means force. No confirmation prompts. rm-rf is powerful but dangerous. Always double-check before running it. Pro tip: use rm-i to get a confirmation prompt for each file. Let's carefully practice deleting files. First, let's see what files we have. Now we delete a single file with rm. We can delete multiple files at once. ls confirms they're gone forever. To delete a directory, we need rm-r. The directory and its contents are now deleted. Remember, always be careful with rm. Wildcards let you match patterns instead of typing exact names. The asterisk matches any number of characters. ls*.txt lists all text files. The question mark matches exactly one character. ls_file?.txt matches file 1, file 2, file A. Square brackets match specific characters in that position. ls_file_123 matches file 1, 2, or 3. Wildcards work with any command: ls, cp, mv, rm, and more. Let's see wildcards in action. We're in a folder with several text files. ls*.txt shows all text files. Now let's create some numbered log files. lslog?.txt matches each one. Brackets let us pick specific matches. We can even copy all text files with one command. Wildcards are a huge time saver. Let's recap Lesson 3. Touch creates files, mkdir creates directories. cp copies, mv moves, and renames. rm deletes, but be very careful. There's no undo. And wildcards give you pattern matching superpowers. Next lesson: viewing and editing file contents. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Coming up next, viewing and editing files with cat, less, and nvim. See you in the next lesson.